So in this video, we'll see how we can add some text or some customize our cart drawer in Shopify for free. Here you see in my cart, when I click on it, it is showing like order above it now for free shipping. So we'll see how we can add some custom taste or progress bar. If you want to add, you can add it for free. Let's go. So here I'm logged into admin dashboard. First step, what I will need to do, you need to enable drawer menu for your website. This is my website. Now I will go on setting, go on cart, and from here select the page, not drawer. So what will happen now when I click on this cart, side drawer will open and we will add some notification, progress bar, or anything on that drawer. How we will add it? Now to add it, we will not don't use any app or extra thing. We will add, just click on this, click on edit code, very simple. Now here, search for music card drawer snippet. Now scroll down. Here we'll add some custom text or progress bar. How? Here after heading, close icon, what we'll do? Here I will just try to show you H2 order above to page 4 free shipping that we have added. Now go to your website. Here or now it is showing order above it to page 199 for free shipping. You can change it if it's too big. H3. Now refresh. Let's see. Now it is small. You can add whatever you want to add. Here we can easily add any type of text bar or whatever you want to add. You can just directly add it here. Without, you can also style it by adding some style here, or if you want to add some more JavaScript code, you can add. So if you want to show some text in your card drawer or anywhere, you can easily show it. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.